Mommy Pig, Daddy Pig, we've been going on our holiday. It's a surprise, Peppa. You'll have to wait and see.
One hint I can tell you is that you and George will need your swimsuit.
Fun! I'm so excited I can barely wait. I just love surprises. All right, everyone. Let's hop in the car so we can get there. Holiday! Wait for me! Wait for me! Here we go!
I love our car.
This is the best surprise ever! The water park! It's one of my favorites! You can go ahead and play, Peppa, but make sure you put on your life jacket. We'll be there in a minute. Okay, Mommy Pig. Oh, what should I do first? How about a nice dip in the pool? Ah, this is great. Jumping up and down in swimming pool paddles. Splash, 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 splash. I'm going to the top of this water slide. Look at it. It's huge. Come on, George. Come on, Daddy Pig. Come on, Mommy Pig. I'm coming, Peppa. I'm going to find a nice spot on this chair to watch. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. This is just lovely.
Wiggle.
Eagle!
Play.
George, make sure you have on a flute or a life jacket at all times. We have to remember our water safety. Hey guys, watch this! I'm going down the big slide! Ah! That was amazing! This is so much fun! Cannonball! Daddy Pig, come swim with me!
All right, Peppa. Let's float like a boat, swim like a fish. Mommy Pig, let's switch spots. You get to swim, and I get to bake in the sun.
Okay, dear. I'm fine with that.
Ah, that's more like it. Let's tan this big belly.
Mommy Pig, Daddy Pig, look! George is going on the water slide!
Be careful, George.
Bye! Wow, George, that slide was super fast. Oh no, George fell off his float. I'm coming, George.
Thanks for helping, Peppa. I'm gonna have a nice ice cream while you guys swim.
Okay, Daddy Pig, what's in here? Oh, it looks like a locker room. Neat. I'm coming, George. Mommy Pig, come swim with us. This is so fun. I'll be right there, Peppa and George. All right, let's swim, kids. This is so refreshing.
That ice cream sure made my tummy happy. Wait for me, family.
It's my turn for ice cream now. I love a sweet treat. Come on, George. Come share this giant ice cream with me. Watch this, kids. Whee! Wow, that was fast. Let's get our stuff together. It's time to go home.
Coming near. Come on, Peppa and George. Let's get going.
We're coming, Mommy Pig and Daddy Pig. That was the best holiday ever. The water park is so much fun. Alright, Peppa and George, it's straight to bed. It's awfully late since we've been playing all day. Good night, Mommy Pig. Good night, Daddy Pig. Good night, George. Thanks for a fun day. Bye!
I'm gonna lay on the couch for a bit.
Okay, I'm gonna go check on Peppa and George. It was the most perfect family holiday at the water park. Thanks for watching. See you next